guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now look what I have here for you. Here I have a facial moisturizer. It is a very unique facial moisturizer that you can use on the skin. This can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin on the skin. I like to use this on my skin. It is smooth, and also guys, this helps to keep the skin fully moisturized. This is good for all skin type, whether you have dry skin, whether you have combination, it doesn't matter. It is just a simple DIY that you can make at home. So if you're interested to see what I use in this mixture, follow me to the kitchen. We're gonna mix it up, guys. Now guess what, we have our own skincare line. In case you're new here in Khichi Beauty skincare, we have a variety of moisturizer that you can use on the skin. We have a variety of anti-aging products. We're gonna list some right here where you see that little handbag. You can click on it and view products. We're gonna list some facial moisturizer. So if you're interested in those, go ahead and check it out. And if you're interested to see how I made this, then continue watching. Most of our products are stem from our DIY that we do right here on this channel. So now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Please remember to watch the video to the end. Now today we're going to be making a facial moisturizer, and for this moisturizer I'm going to be using some tea, and this is a mix of green tea and chamomile tea together. Just brew your green tea and chamomile and you're gonna come up with this right here. So now we are using about 2 tablespoons of the green tea and the chamomile. Now green tea is rich in antioxidants that can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Chamomile helps to calm the skin, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It also helps to balance the natural pH levels of the skin. Now once we have our blend of green tea and chamomile, so what we're going to do now, we are going to put this aside and let's reach for our next bowl. What we're going to do, we're going to be using some aloe vera in this, and today I'm going to mix my aloe vera. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of picked aloe vera, and I'm going to be using a tablespoon of green aloe vera gel. Now go ahead and use any aloe vera gel that you have. These are from the Khichi Beauty collection, so you can check them out. And what we're going to do, we are going to be mixing the 2 aloe vera gels together. Aloe vera helps to cool the skin, calm the skin, reduce hyperpigmentation from the skin. And I love using these on my skin. When you step out of the shower, your skin is wet, just add a little aloe vera in your hands, gel in your hands, and just massage it all over. Now I'm going to add some oils to this, guys. Not a lot, and you need to make this just the way I'm doing it, because we're going to be adding oil and water. My first oil is going to be pomegranate seed oil. Now if you're living somewhere where it's getting a little cold, guys, you're going to try to use heavier oils. So use the oils you have, like olive oil, coconut oil. Those oils are good, but if you have a blend of oils like I'm going to mix here, it's okay. So for the pomegranate seed oil, I'm using just about a teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil. I'm also going to be using some apricot oil. This is another light oil that you can use on the skin, but when mixed with other oils like I'm doing here, it's perfect for the fall and winter months. And I'm also using just about a teaspoon of the apricot oil. I'm using just 3 oils in this. Use any 2, any 3 oils. My next oil is going to be some rosehip seed oil, and this is like a perfect anti-aging oil. This is an oil that you can use right throughout the year. It's good for mature skin, and also guys, wrinkles, fine lines, and boosting collagen and elastin. We're using also just about a teaspoon of the rosehip seed oil. And now we are going to blend these oils in the aloe vera gel. Make sure to make this as I'm showing here, guys. The aloe vera gel is also being used as a binder for the oils and also for the liquid, which is going to be the green tea and chamomile mixture. So you want to just keep mixing this like I'm showing here. Just keep blending. And as you can see, the oils are totally blended in the aloe vera gel. And now we're going to reach for our green tea and chamomile, and we're going to add this slowly, just a little at a time. You're going to add it and you are going to blend. You can also choose to put this in the blender, but I like to add it the way I'm showing you here, a little at a time. We're using about a tablespoon of the green tea right now. So keep blending. The aloe vera is the binding agent right here, guys. So keep blending, and as you can see, if you're using fresh aloe vera for this, go ahead and blend everything together. But if you're using aloe vera gel store-bought like I'm using here, just slowly mix it in. And take a look at that, guys. If you do this the other way, it's not going to be uniform like this, okay? So as I said, and I'm going to add a little bit more of my green tea, just a little at a time. Notice when I add it, you see like it separate, but if you continue to mix it in, remember we have oil in this, and oil and water really do not mix. You have to have a binding agent, which is, in this case, is the aloe vera gel. And that's how you can mix all of these together, and you're not going to see any form of a settlement. It's going to stay together like we're showing here. Mix and mix well. The mixing is a process, okay? The mixing is a process, but if you do it right, you will get it right, and you will get this nice fluffy anti-aging moisturizer that you can use on your face, your neck, and décolleté. As a matter of fact, you can use it all over your body. And take a look at this, guys, up close. This is what I'm talking about. Look how creamy this is. We use our hands to blend it in. Make sure to mix it just like this, and you will get this amazing result for this amazing anti-aging moisturizer. Now this is done. I love this, guys. Here's a tip. If you have star anise oil, which I do, or some castor oil, you can also add it to this to even pick this up a notch, like some Jamaican black castor oil or some star anise oil if you have it. Hey, I'm gonna drop 1 drop of the star anise oil in this. This is not the way we mix it, guys, so if I ruin it, 1, 2 drops. You don't need a lot. It's an essential oil, but it also helps to tighten the skin. This is not the way to add it, so if you don't blend in well, it's my fault, but I'm just trying my luck here, right? So now this is totally done. Let's mix it a little more to make sure the star anise oil is blended completely in the mixture. Yes, this is good. And now, anti-aging facial moisturizer. This is it right here, guys. Take a look at this. A moisturizer that you can make at home and use on the skin. Store this in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. This actually could go a little longer, guys, but you know, we always have to give you the 7 days marking. I personally keep mine way over 7 days. It's up to you. There's nothing in this to go bad, so this is good to use a little longer. Take a little bit, and let's put a little on our hands right here. Oh, my hands are wet. Just take a little bit, just a little drop, and apply it. We would just want to see how it just melt in the skin. Look at that. Very hydrating. This time of year when your skin is drying out with that heat from the heating system in the house, this is perfect. Also, if you have dry skin, itchy skin, just use it all over your body. Look at how moisturizing that is. Amazing.